We got some GMP Novas. Some really good looking Novas. These are real small cars. These are 1/43rd scale. So they're small, but you know, the most widely collected scale, really. But GMP made these, and they're really neat, and they have differences. The Fred Gibb car is going to be a '68, and then we got the Yenko cars 1970. Really good, cool detail, enough to really satisfy someone that collects larger scales, really. And I picked these up as a set a while ago, and they're just really cool, and I got a case for them, so they're going to be displayed now. They come in like a jeweler box. They flip open, or come with a vacuum forward piece of plastic, so they kind of sit in there all nestled together. No screws or anything hold them in. They come out real clean. Paint on them is true to scale, and it's the right shade. And yeah, we'll take a look at a few of them. They have some good parts to them. Take a look at the Fred Gibb car. We'll start with the '68. The Nova fans, you know that '68 first year for this body that went into the '70s, and it's a really famous body, and this is a '68, so they're doing big blocks. This is going to be a COPO car, so central office production order for all you Chevy fans as well. This is going to have the hood with the intake on it, or the vents. Other cars you'll see that, you know, they got a regular street hood. '68, they're also going to have the Chevy 2 on the grill, like the 68s had. And they'll have the big and little drag setup. And they'll have traction bars. And they'll have full headers, and that's it, with dumps basically. You see the Nova right there. Take a look. Yeah. And the back of the car. So this is Fred Gibb's car. He was out of Illinois. He was also a dealer tuner that would deliver basically turnkey packages. He had a little bit of a leg up at GM, like a couple other guys, like the Yenko cars. So I get these COPOs and kind of dress them up the way he did, and kind of advertise it as that way. So you can pick this car up and go racing. He fielded his own vehicles, and they were record setters as well. So yeah, this is a representation of a big block Chevy 2 Nova. It's going to be a real bare bones car with just, whereas money spent in there. It's supposed to be your big blocks. Got an open element on the carb, and you got your header spacing on the big block pipes. So it's a good looking vehicle. It's got the little Nova trim that changed year to year, and you can pay attention to this first one. Then when we look at the other '70s, you'll see the differences. Really cool car. Love the colors. Box is great. It's got old boy there. Yep. And turn it around. It's got kind of like a little dealership. So it's real slick. Real slick. Well researched. There's a blue one. This is going to be your Yenko Deuce. Again, another dealer tuner by Turnkey Cars out of his dealership. Kind of branded him as his own kind of special edition of what Chevy did. And you notice the grill went on to that '70 grill, and you can see the trim. It's got Don Yenko's little insignia on the license plate. Great looking car. Graphics are done correctly. That's how these Yenko Deuces came out. They had the big broad stripe, and then they had that follow pinstripe. And they had the contrast. And there's a silver car. This one picks up in the light a little bit better. We can see the detail. Tires have the markings on them, so it's tampo printed. And you got the Nova with Don Yenko's insignia underneath, just like it was. You got the denotation of the 350. Again, the grill is a 1970 grill. Same thing with the back. The trim changes, and you got Don Yenko's seal there. So, this is 1/43rd scale, and you can see how nicely done the stripe is. So, it's a great car. And then you got the full exhaust on this car. Got a stamped serial number. And then on Fred's car, again, open exhaust, big and littles. Yeah, these are GMP 1/43rd. Really cool cars. Yep. And then it'll have some information about the vehicle. Silver car has a silver over black, and then the blue car has got a blue box. And it's got a color there. Yeah, real high performance 350s on those cars. Solid lifter, 4 barrels, close ratio, 4-speed. Got probably 410 in the back, most likely. High compression car. So yeah, definitely want to do the braking period right on a motor like that. But yeah, once they went running, they really ran hard. Real great cars. GMP, 1/43rd scale. Got a 3 Novas for us. Till next time.